Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute or unmute your microphone on a phone call on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. I'm currently on a phone call, and to unmute my mic I need to click on this crossed mic icon, and now I'm unmuted. When I click on it again, I'm muted again. If you can't see this mute icon, this might mean that you are in keypad mode. Click on Hide Keypad and you'll be able to see these controls again. You can also have your call here in the dynamic island, so you might need to click on the dynamic island, then click on the microphone to unmute it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.